If your dishwasher won't start, it may be due to an issue with the circuit breaker. Check your household breaker box to see if the switch has been flipped to the wrong position. Additionally, look for signs of overheating, in which case it's best to consult a professional for assistance. Another possible reason is that the dishwasher is stuck between cycles, which can happen if the start button is pushed multiple times, causing it to revert to the drain cycle. To resolve this, reset the dishwasher according to the instructions in the owner's manual. It's also possible that the door is not properly latched, as there's a switch that prevents the dishwasher from starting if the door latch isn't engaged. Ensure the lower dish rack is correctly installed, allowing the door to close completely. By checking these potential issues, you should be able to fix your dishwasher and get it running again.